Dude is trying to do groceries on a scooter. There's no way. You actually think he's gonna do it?
I don't know how possible, but I'm gonna learn this.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so what is he doing, you think, Cam?
I'm not real sure. Because he didn't put it in no belt loops.
No, he didn't put any belt loops on.
Wow.
What are those?
Cute.
Is it carabiners? Those are carabiners.
Oh, there's a lady trying to get...
Oh, he's trying to help him. Oh my gosh. She is like, this lady's like, there's no way. He has come prepared. He's got like 30 carabiners that he's hooking into his belt. No, he definitely is. Your face. You're like, there's no way.
I wish I was just that creative.
I mean, all right. Kim, that's a safety vest, and he's put zip ties on it.
He has come prepared.
He has come prepared. This is Kim. He just put carabiners all over the back. Should we ask him if he needs help?
Yes, we should.
Hey, you need any help?
Nah.
You good?
I got it, man.
I mean, you look like you've done it before, so.
Yeah, every week.
Alright. Have a good one.
Every
week, Kim. Every week he does this.
Yeah, but you see, he's got a watermelon, too.
He's legit got a watermelon.
He probably knows which bag's the way.
I know.
He's somebody's hero.
I know. I feel like we see the craziest people out here.
That's right.
He's strapping them up. What has he got in there? Some Doritos?
Those are Doritos, yeah.
I just cannot wait to see what he does with this watermelon. There's no way like put that watermelon in there.
I don't know where you can't put it on the bottom of the scooter. It ain't.
No, it'd roll right off the bottom of the scooter. I don't think he could get it through there.
I never thought of a technique like this, but it looks pretty good.
I mean, he's working it.
You might need them paper towels there.
I
to
know,
wipe his face off.
gosh, he's gonna be like soaked. Oh my gosh. No, I'm just watching. I just am impressed, dude. I'm impressed.
You're filming it right now?
Yeah, I'm impressed. This is incredible.
Hey, are you gonna put it on the internet?
Probably. Dude,
Hey.
you actually do this? This is for real?
Yeah.
Alright.
If you don't have a car, it works well.
I mean, yeah, I mean, you're paving the way for people without a car right here.
Here, you can help me.
What do you mean to do?
Can you just put these on my back? Sometimes those carabiners are hard to hit.
Yeah, dude. Here, Kim, hold this phone and.
See the carabiners?
Yep. God, you mean to do another one?
Yeah. We almost got it all.
Okay.
I just live a mile down the road. It's
Oh,
easy.
okay, that's not bad.
Have a good one.
You care about video a little more? This is just incredible.
Nah, you're good.
Alright.
On these rainy streets at that. You getting something there?
Kim, he's got a baby, what is that thing called? I don't have a baby.
Baby
What is
carrier.
a baby carrier that he's doing the watermelon with, the baby carrier.
I cannot believe it. Must have children. He knows what he's doing.
I mean, he knows exactly what he's doing.
Yeah, he has a child.
He has to have one.
Oh,
He's
I
legit.
mean, he is very inquisitive.
I gotta roll on it.
Yeah, he's like a true MacGyver. He can come up with
I
whatever
know.
to get it. Baby side.
It works, Kim. Good work, dude.
Told ya.
I know, you're incredible. There's no way.
Have a good day, man.
Have a good one.
And he's off.
And there he goes. There he goes. He's leaving.
He's on his way home.
He's on his way home.